Well, my beautiful creek full of water. It's been raining all day. I just got here. See, there's some erosion. So my fence has caved in a little bit along the side. And am I imagining it, or has this one gone down a little bit? I don't know, maybe not. All of a sudden I realized how vulnerable. I left this place in with these posts sitting along the side of the trench so precariously. Well, hope the rain's about to stop. I presume it's been raining all day like it was in Nashville. This rain cloud bursts over and over again. Look at that cart. The cart is almost full of water. Oh well. Let's see here. See ya.